In this video, I'll show you how to connect Claude with Roblox. And if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to launch our Roblox Studio. Now that we have Roblox Studio, we're going to open the project that we want to connect Claude to. And let's open this project. Now, at the far right of the page, you can see where it says AI Assistant. We're going to click on that. And it's gonna open a dialog box at the bottom. Then we're gonna click on the three dots right next here, and we're gonna click on manage MCP servers. Now let's under the setup, yeah, we'll put this on MCP server on, and under setup, yeah, let's close this. Let's open the setup. Under the JSON configuration, we're gonna copy this code right here, and once we copy it, we're gonna open Claude. So I downloaded Claude for desktop, so you're gonna have to download Claude for desktop also, and you open it. Now once that this is opened, we're gonna go to settings, and that should be under Claude. Then we go to settings. Under settings, we're gonna go to developer on the left sidebar. From here, we're gonna click on edit config. Now under edit config, we're gonna look for Claude desktop configuration. And once we click on this, we're going to clear everything here. Let's highlight it and clear everything here. And then we're going to paste in the code that we copied from Roblox. Now, once we do this, we're going to save. We're going to close this up, and then that should save automatically. And here we can close Claude. Let's close this up also. And let's go back to Roblox. We'll close this up. Now under the AI assistant, we should have, okay, let's reopen Roblox again. It's Roblox. Now we're launching Roblox again, and let's close this up. Now when we open up a project, now that we've connected Claude to Roblox, under the AI assistant chat, we should have Claude active there now. Now that's how to connect Roblox to Claude. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.